We Talk Football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Securing your business is our core business. Simthembile. Izitha zakho nazi lana eyingathi mani. Orlando Pirates 2 Sekhukhune iqanda.
Yeah, I'm feeling sorry for Sekhukhune. Singenele ngamanzi endlini. Playing 3 games 1 week against one team and the Pirates umuntu uzoxosha
kodwa ngathi nePirates nayo senkingeni ukudlala nabantu ababodwa imidlalo eminingi kanje
ayikho senkingeni nePirates idlala Scotland twice, so definitely Saturday izowin. I don't see Sekhukhune sibuya. But it's football, anything can happen. But ama teams I think awakangena egiyeni onke. If you can check Sundowns, Sekhukhune, normally Sekhukhune season mayiqala sidla ngoba ne performance right, but I see ukuthi ba lose many players. And also Pirates is not on their game, but one thing about the Pirates now, which means the team is drawing, win a league, you gain experience. They know how to steal games even if they didn't play well, and the coach has built his spine. Une goalkeeper yakashongayo, center back pairing ashongayo, double pivot, which means number 6 and number 8 ashongayo. The problem is up front, but as long it was score. And I was also impressed with Isap Kasibisi Uzulu. Uzulu is very good. Win amabhola aerial, is playing clean football. Comfortable enyaweni. But mele singakhohlwa fast Sibisi asikwazi kumkhipha. Mele babane beba rotate. Mele babane ba rotate. Even uCM umfana is maturing. I think we are no national team. And even I was impressed noMthetheleli Mthiyana. But I feel like today Pirates be miss shoot and sin. I don't know what happened. Bengambonanga nasebench. Maybe imrestisile. I feel like Mthiyana mele adlale close nomuntu or believe ekudlaleni. But I think and Mthiyana is a number 6 that's supposed to play kuma big team. That's why sometimes siba confusing about Ox, because Ox ngumdlali osebenza kakhulu nabondlovu, but sometimes when ubadinga ukuthi bakudlalele Mthiyana umnandi kakhulu, but you will give them time. It seems like Pirates has got an exciting team. But there are many things that Imelis Lungis they can't run 90 minutes. They need to play, man. Mele badlale. But even the coach is still learning. I think he is a second big team back away coach, because we coach AS Vita, and then he went to Imaromo, and then Pirates. Now coach Usafunda. I think he's gonna learn. And let's hope even quick careful to compete. But Pirates look like he's having an exciting team. A good team. But the only problem, Meleba fix it up front. I'm not impressed with his.
But striker scoring. Fun.
At least. One thing I like about Lomfana or Raitopane, uyahlala eboxini. Uhlala like kitchen. Mark Williams used to say that you must stay in the kitchen. But the problem, you need to work kwindaba ye fitness. If you can take like energy Kambuthuma, because it's a good finisher, but akanayo work rate Kambuthuma. Ibuyela kulanda ukuthi elifini you can't get everything oyifunayo. Enye into uyayithola, enye into ungabi nayo. Maybe you can be a good finisher, ube lazy, because it seems like umfana lazy. Umbuthuma ukhuthele, but the problem is finishing. Ayikho. Ndivile today bemrestisile, but let's hope Saturday bazombuyisa noba usebhenjini kwenzela bangambulali confidence, but bebeyidinga rest. But iBhakania seems like they are having a good team, an exciting team. but many players azina experience, but ke kuzobuya noBomoremi bakhona nawo Lungu. I'm wishing iBhakane all the best, even kwi-CAF. Let's hope nathi sizo compete nathi sicompete. It's gonna be good for
ungazi mayithi thina bheka la ibhande liyakhuluma.
I know ingavi ngikhuluma kahle ngamabhakani ngilikhosi, but ke mina ngizithandela ifootball, ngithandela ifootball. If into injalo injalo and also man, before Sival I'm wishing ukuthi isafi ilungisa indaba zana. We see bad tackles man isizini mayiqala, and labafana they are getting away ngalama tackle. They don't get ama-card, they don't get red cards. I think VAR, as much as I'm not a big fan, I'm not saying perfect, but into mayisetshenziswe England thina singobani ingasiza ku review amanye ama fouls. I think le ndaba yoba Mr. Gayton McKenzie no Safa bengazwani, they must fix le ndaba ye VAR. We need VAR. We need VAR, even if it's gonna take time, but siyayidinga ingapheli season ingekho. Siyayidinga yona.
Ungqongqoshe uMcKenzie wayethe VAR useyithengile.
uBagayile I think it's 13 million ba top up kule mali bebeyithole ku FIFA bayingathi bayidlile because bacela idrace yamalanga, but ke kumele size labe iside. We can't listen one side. Masilinde sibone, but let's hope man they need to improve le league. Siyayithanda le league, they need to improve. Even indaba kaPitso they need to sort it fast.
Kanti indaba imephi lapha kuPitso ngoba kuthiwa uPitso khona basakulungisa sesokhonjo uNtseki.
The problem iqale with isalary. They offer uPitso 450,000 per month, but some members zeSAFA zakhala ya review issue, so it seems like uzothola around 700 and something to close to 800,000. So rumors zithi because kuthiwa eParliament bebeyidigida le ndaba, rumors zithi uYugo Bros was getting over a million, close to 1.4 million.
Yini bengamnika uPitso i1.4 1.5 million ngoba ucoach walana onegama esimaziyo. Yini bengamniki mhlambe yini ibala noma ubuzwe noma yini?
No, ibala lizohlala licounter, but another thing, I don't think uSafa uyamfuna uPitso as a coach, but remember uDanny Jordan uranela i-campaign yobuyela as a president because uSandile Zungu uyamcontest. So ama-media people, ama-podcast everywhere, nalamo sisiye yayiphusha indaba kaPitso even everywhere. So even Mr. Gayton McKenzie uyayiphusha indaba. So bona I think uPitso abamfuni ngokwenhliziyo yabo, but they are putting him kuba public him demand because even yena uya wa compromise even isalary why accepta ngoku now they are forcing him to work with Umkhelele angafuna usebenza naye because uthi ufuna uza ne technical team yakhe abafuni still.
Yini lena encane Helman Mkhelele lena phakathi kweSAFA no Helman Mkhelele wavele kuyaziwa ukuthi ama coach afika nama assistant awo.
Indaba kusho ukuthi ufuna umuntu wakho phakathi. Is the same thing now eyenzeke with the Chiefs. They say hey, we made a mistake unaphi simzise nabantu bakhe, mele sibe nomuntu wethu, sibe no Dylan Shepherd wethu. So I think they need bafuna babe nomuntu wakho okanye ba destabilize uPitso
ukuthi engenzi kahle.
But it seems like uPitso uyayifuna naye le job because knowing uPitso is not desperate. And even kuna ama complications ukuthi mele ayeke la podcast yakhe aphinda move abuye backwards even na kwi development ontoni yakhe. So there are many things, and I'm worried because I know Pitso angaphula out and is our last hope. Because in the national team you don't need only a tactician, you need a manager, you need to umuntu ozoba bold because there are things uYugo Bros azikhulumile ku-interview ukuthi
maphinde siyosithathela ama-point.
There are things azikhulumile pha ukuthi kunama-agent, kunama-club owners influencer i-national team kuba kubekho ama-players abizo. So you need a strong character. You can't just put Umleki Ntseki pha. But we don't undermine him. We know ukuthi usebenzile kuma under 17 and stuff, but unomgama la uphela khona. But le masilinde Masilinde singakhulumi kakhulu but kusasa ngizobuya ngiphila but lezi team zase KZN iziphakamisile hey aziphakamisile kule na last season even this season masiba give it credit even ne academies apha there are many ininzi talent KZN
sakhuluma ngama academy othi ngixoxele ukuthi eyethu i-academy inkosi yethu football stars kodwa ke la ku Facebook uzoyithola ngeNewcastle Football Academy ngomgqibelo siyodlala ne TS Galaxy ePitoli. TS Galaxy lega advocate team suka siyodlala nayo sibonga nje nayo ke i TS Galaxy ukuthi sinike ithuba lokuthi siyodlala nayo yabona
and I trust uTim Suka aziphela komuntu ke onenhliziyo efair I don't think udeep na even naklama politics and uya believe ku talent let's hope uzothola ama player pha even naye unama player engiwafunayo pha unentwana ekuthiwa nguseluleko Mahlambi uTim Suka uya believe ku talent uya believe given even uBernard Parker umgayile ijob engekathola ama qualifications enough to coach so uTim Suka ngumuntu that o believer ku development o understand football he's been there as an agent ungumuntu ophansi even benimamelena kumarawa so let's hope ukuthi uzothola noba ngabafana 2 or 3 but ngiya believer there is a talent KZN teams apha ziya survive la akusurviveki to sustain team they are not selling status AmaZulu has been there Arrows so I'm wishing all the best in teams as a KZN this season mina ngiyayithanda talent and I like beautiful football and I like teams that are giving more special ama local coaches boy you see they give Manqobi chance now is in Tanzania they give Steve Khombele chance waya ku Sundowns now they giving uSimodladla chance so I'm wishing ama teams ase KZN nathi I so wish ubaba wasekhaya Eastern Cape angenza into right
emfethu ngake ngaya eMthatha ngiqala ukuya inkosi yami yazi ngavele ngayibona iIndependence Stadium ngayibona ngababona Wilfred Mgay Brandon Augustine Joseph Liepo Mongezi Malashe ngababona ngamehla engqondo ngathi hayi asingayi lapho mfowethu siyabonga isikhatsi sakho
nathi siyabonga now
we talk football SA
siyabonga baba
siyabonga.